Hi, it's Kozue. Today I'm gonna be introducing Born Pretty's new gels. These are Jelly Nude Gel. And this is White Cat Magnetic Gel. White? It's not that white. Okay, let's get started. This is Jelly Nude Gel, number 75. Oh, it's not that nude. It's not that sheer, I mean. It's got so many glitters. Beautiful. I see. If you press a brush, it looks pretty sheer. It's so beautiful, really sparkly. It would be nice for summer nails, winter nails, and probably you can put some sheer color on it and you can make summery things, and with pink or green you can make a springy nail art. This is the second coat. The texture is pretty thick with the glitters, I think. Light top coat. Can you see how glittery it is? Next, Jelly Nude Gel 76. I thought this was gray, but it's not really gray, is it? In Japanese, we call it a grayish color. Is it really an English word? It looks like this on their official homepage. Let's see how it looks with two coats. So how do I define this color? I don't know, do you have any ideas? I would wear this color for autumn and spring as well. Looks like this on my finger. Oh, okay. I can make a Scandinavian design with moving, probably. It would look nice with some white flowers. I know, mimosa nail will be perfect. Next, Jelly Nude Gel number 77. I think this is everybody's go-to shade. Oh, this is truly nude. I would make tulip nails with this shade. Let's paint it again. This gel will be perfect for office-appropriate nails. I'm gonna paint one more time to make it a 3-coat. I think this color makes your fingers look really healthy. On my finger it looks more pink because of the polish I'm wearing on my real nail. This looks really pretty. It's so cute. You could wear this gel on other shades to make them slightly pinkish, I guess. Jelly Nude Gel 81. This is another dusty pink. This is darker than 77. I'm painting for the second coat. It would be perfect for sakura nails, cherry blossom nails. These sheer colors are perfect for making ombre or gradient art. White Cat Magnetic Gel. I wonder if it gets more white after hitting with a magnetic wand. Okay, let's see. Wow! The particles move so fast and so well. Wow, like northern lights. Probably you can use it on other shades to give them a pearly magnetic effect. I apply the top coat. It looks pretty grayish or silverish. Now I'm gonna make one set. This is a thumbnail. Jelly Nude Gel 81. I'm gonna make an ombre. This is a tweed brush from a 100 yen store. I go vertically and horizontally like this. I started painting slightly above the second coat. I'm gonna stamp on it. I got this stamping plate from Seria, a 100 yen store, but I don't think they still sell them. I always use this old prepaid card as a scraper. It's not a credit card. I don't want to use some flowers on the stamper, so I'm gonna thin them out with washi tape. I'm gonna stamp them looking for nice layouts and balance. So cute. White Cat Magnetic Gel. I wasn't planning to use it first, but it might give it a nice pearly effect. It looks pretty silvery now. Interesting. Now I realize that I used a nail tip stand with a magnet. Shoot. Maybe because of that, it was pretty hard to control the particles. I'm gonna stamp again. This is Cat's stamping polish. The name is Coffee. This is a stamper head from Seria. I use it on Daiso's stamping block. And I'm gonna be using CanDo's stamping plate. I'm gonna use this letter A. The plate is from Temu. This is the most opaque white stamping polish I have. I got it at Walmart in Hawaii. I always can't decide where to stamp right away. I love it. I'm gonna finish it with the top coat. The thumbnail art is done. I'm gonna be doing the pinky and the index finger. Jelly Nude Gel 81. I'm gonna paint it twice. By the way, I filed nail tips with an e-file. I'm gonna be painting White Cat Magnetic Gel. It looks pretty streaky, but it should be okay. I finally realized that I was using stands with magnets. I changed to a magnetic-free stand. Yep, I made this nail tip stand. It looks pretty DIY-ish, doesn't it? As I move the particles with the magnet, the streaks get less visible. I finished the pinky and the index finger. Now I'm gonna do the ring finger and the middle finger. Jelly Nude Gel 81. I'm gonna paint it on the ring finger twice. And I'm gonna paint matte coat. After curing the matte coat, I'm gonna wipe it with ethanol and rub a little with a cosmetic sponge. This way, excess powder will come off easily. Seria's icing gel. I wonder if this icing gel line is discontinued. I'm gonna rub Aurora powder on it. I can't remember where I got it from. It looks more like a galaxy nail rather than a sakura nail. Well, this happens a lot. Do you ever clean applicators with pigment powder? I don't want to leave powder in my drawer or anywhere I leave applicators. So I clean them with ethanol and a piece of paper towel. I'm applying non-wipe top coat gently so that the powder won't come off. I'm gonna stamp this after curing the top coat. I'm gonna use this super opaque stamping polish I got at Walmart in Hawaii. I'm gonna finish with the top coat. I'm gonna make an ombre nail with Jelly Nude Gel 81 on the middle finger. It's exactly the same steps as the thumbnail gradation. Now I'm gonna stamp. I've been making a lot of sakura nails. Sakura cherry blossoms are really special to Japanese people. Now I see lots of visitors from overseas appreciate cherry blossoms too. If you have a chance to be in Japan in the sakura season and avoid crowds, do visit not so famous sakura spots. Otherwise, you'll be drowning in crowds of people. Make particles invisible once. I'm gonna finish it with a non-white top coat. So this is a set, all done. As I was making the set, I was starting to wonder if the ring finger stands out in a bad way, but it turned out pretty well, I think. Let's see how it looks on my hand. Ta-da! It looks much nicer on my hand, doesn't it? It's not one of those super colorful girly shades or anything. It's nice and chic. I totally enjoy looking at my nails. I love English words and phrases on nails, so I'm super happy with the thumbnail. Did you find any gel nail you particularly liked in this video? You can find the product link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!